Hi Beauty Pies, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is my go-to glam makeup look for this fall. It's the makeup look that I'll use when I have not planned a makeup look. You have to prepare to do your makeup. So let's say you have an event to go to, you want to glam up, you have a gorgeous outfit, but you didn't have time to prepare your makeup look. This is the look that you would use. It's a neutral look, so the colors aren't going to interfere with whatever you're wearing. I used a grayish tone shadow because I find that that suits me the best. Between my black hair and my darker skin, I find that a dark gray is just absolutely beautiful and seems to go with everything, anything that I wear regardless of the color. I'm also using a new foundation. I've been on the hunt for a really good full coverage foundation. I've just been trying to look for one that still has a natural finish, and I'm using that right now. It's my second time using it. The first time I used it, I wasn't really sure about it, but I think that with foundations, really delve into a foundation and try it out with different moisturizers and primers, because depending on what you're using as a base for your foundation, it can really affect the foundation. Never has that been more true than with the one that I'm using right now. I like using this foundation so much more this time around than I did the last time. And so let's get right into it. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy my videos, please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified of new videos. I plan to do a lot more fall looks. And now let's get right into the video. I'm going to share with you how I prep my face for the makeup, because I do think that's very important. First thing in the morning, I wash my face and then I always moisturize. It's been about 4 or 5 hours since I applied this cream. Normally I would just go in with a primer, and this is the moisturizing primer that I've been using that I really love. It's the Ciate, it's by Ciate London. It has actual drops of watermelon extract. I'm already wearing this. Before I put this on, my skin did not look this glowy at all. So this is really what's doing a lot of it. So the foundation I'm using today is by Mercier. It is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. And I'm using the color 5W1 Amber. This is a medium deep with warm undertones. I'm just going to pump it right onto my skin. I'm using the Morphe E8 brush. Already I see such a difference. The first few times I used this foundation, I did not moisturize well enough, and I just found it so hard to blend out. So this time I'm not having that problem because I added the extra moisture. It blended out so nicely. You can see, even though it was super yellow, when I pumped it onto my skin, it blended out fine. Concealer that I'm using is by Becca. This is the Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer. This is in the color Honey. And I'm using the Morphe M335 brush. I'm applying it on one side, blending it out, and then doing the same on the other side. I'm using my cream bronzer by Fenty Beauty. I use the color Chocolate. It's weird, now that I'm doing a fall makeup look, I feel like this bronzer may be too dark to use for the fall. I might have to get a lighter color in this. I really do like this particular cream bronzer. I like the formula. I love how easily it blends out. It looks very natural. But I may have to use a lighter color. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is the translucent, the regular translucent original powder. As you know, I use the Secret Brightening Powder for the under eye area, which is also by Laura Mercier. I just have used that so much that I rarely ever reach for this one. And this one I had purchased originally for my whole face, and the translucent color is just too light. It's not translucent on my whole face. Like, you can see a white cast on my chin area, so I can only use this on my under eye area. So for the rest of my face, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep in Glow. So you can see that even though it has a glow in it, it's not too glowy that it cannot be used all over the face. Okay, now we're moving on to the eyes. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade for my eyebrows. This is the first time I'm trying the pomade. I've never used this because I always thought that it would take too much time and my brows would look painted on, since it's like a cream gel. Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with a new brow pen. I also have that, which I haven't tried yet. When I bought that, I thought, you know what, I might as well try the Dip Brow Pomade as well. So that's why I bought it. And I've liked using this so much that I haven't even tried the pen yet because it's so easy. It cuts down doing my eyebrows in half. I don't know, I'm using the color Granite and I'm using the Sigma Small Angle E65 brush to apply it. So you see how quickly that darkened my brow. And then I'm just gonna take it up. I picked up so little of this product on this brush and still I have so much pigment, so I'm gonna just wipe it off here because I don't want it to be too dark when I'm shaping the arch. So I'm getting rid of some of that pigment here. Now I'm going to go back and I'm just going to draw the arch in. This is going to take me longer because I'm doing it like this on camera, but when I'm doing it in person in front of a mirror, it's just amazing how little time this takes me. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Violet Voss Pro. I'm going to mix Baddie and this color Motivate along with it. And I'm going to put this over my entire lid. And I'm also taking it into this crease area. Next, I'm picking up Strong, using the Sigma Blending E25. And I'm going to apply that into the crease here to darken it up. Then I'm taking the Sigma Taper Blending E35 and I'm going to blend it out. Once I've blended out most of the color here, I'm taking the brush back into the inner corner and I'm going to put this color all over the crease. As you can see, there's not a lot of color left on the brush. It's just applying a light wash of color. I'm going to go back in with that E25 and I'm going to place that same color, Strong, the lower lash line. Take a pencil brush and blend that out. So that is it for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to use the Icoat London waterproof liner. After I line my eyes, I'm going to add false lashes. These lashes are called It's an After Party. This is a collaboration between House of Lashes and Patrick Ta, who's a makeup artist. I think it's a great pair of lashes for a natural glam look. I used these also in my last makeup look, and that was a super glam colorful eye makeup look, and it looked really great with that too. So this is a good, really versatile pair of lashes. So I finished my liner, and before I apply my false lashes, I'm going to apply some mascara on my upper lash line, and I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and then for my lower lash line, I'm using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. So my eyes are done. I also went in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Perversion. I just applied that to my lower waterline. For blush, I'm going in with one of my old favorites. This is the NARS in Dolce Vita. It's a single blush. It's such a beautiful pink mauve for darker skin tones. Using the Sigma F10 blush brush, I'm just applying it to the high points of my cheeks, blending it in with the contour. For my lips, I'm starting with the MAC lip pencil in Hover. Okay, so I've completely filled in my lips with Hover. And for lipstick, I'm using Down to an Art by MAC. I'm going to finish with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That is the end of our easy glam makeup for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you caught on to how easy this look was. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!